Adding more information about your team members to their profiles can give you a more comprehensive view of your team member portfolio. You can create custom fields for team members and group their information under relevant sections. For instance, you might create a section for contact details such as email, phone number, and so on about your employees, and a separate section for their work related information such as certifications and skills. You can set these up beforehand and fill in the fields as you create team member profiles. This way, you can keep all the necessary details organized and easily accessible. In this video, we will go about seeing how to create team member fields and categorize the fields using sections. First, let's see how to create a team member field. Log in as an admin and navigate to your profile icon. Select Settings and scroll down to the Fields section. Select Team Member Fields and click on New Field. A new team member field pane will appear on the screen for you to add the necessary details. Give the field a relevant name. For example, let's add Employee ID. You will find a range of field types available here, like text field, multi-line text field, number field, and so on. Select the relevant field type for Employee ID. Here it can be number field. Add a description that would act like a tooltip for the users to understand what information needs to go into the field. After adding the necessary details, click Save. Next, let's create a new section to organize the team member fields. To keep all the important information about your team members organized and easily accessible, you can group their fields into sections. Let's get started. Under Team Member Fields, you can create new sections by clicking on New Section. Give your section a name. And then click on the green tick mark to save the section. You can now drag and drop the team member fields into this section. You can also create a new field and map that field to the section of your choice from under the section name drop-down. And that's how you create team member fields in Rocketlane. If you have any further questions, write to care@rocketlane.com.